Today we're going to install WordPress on our local server in a few short minutes. The first thing we need is a server. I like to use XAMPP because it has everything you need built in. Get it from ApacheFriends.org. Once you have a web server, start MySQL on Apache or separate or whatever distribution you got. And the first thing you need to do is download WordPress at wordpress.org and click on download. Choose the format that is right for your OS. Windows should get zip and Linux should get tar.gz. Or the other way around. Whatever, still works. We now need to unzip the files into our web server directory that we're going to install WordPress in. The particular server I'm using is f:/www/wrdp, but it'll server. We now need to extract the WordPress files into the directory we chose. Once you're done with that, you're going to need to edit one file in this directory. Choose your favorite text editor and open wp-config-sample.php. Edit these accordingly. dbuser is the name of your database that you're using. dbpassword is the password of the user you're using, and the host, which is probably localhost. Before you do that, you need to set up your database. And there are many different tools for doing that, but I'm using MyAdmin. The database I'm creating is WRDP, so just type in the name of your database. /WRDP. Anyway, if you type it correctly, then you get a database. And it already is because I did 4. Anyway, now that we have a database set up, all we have to do is access our server at localhost and the directory that you installed it in my case, WRDP. And if you spell it right, there you go. And oh crap. This is one of the common problems that you'll run into when installing WordPress. It means A, your server is not up, or your MySQL server is not up, or B, that you got your username and password wrong. For me, this is B, because I put in the wrong username and password. Please bear with me while I edit. Alright, I put in my username and password and now everything is just peachy. Anyway, so when you first go into your WordPress, it says it's not installed. So what you need to do is click install.php and it'll get you to the first step. Click on the giant first step link. Put in your title of your blog that you want it to be. For this, it's going to be title. And for your email, put in whatever you want. Your email address, maybe. me@me.com. Now it's filling the database. And here is our disgustingly irrememberable password. Copy this because you can't remember that. And click on login. Enter your password here and click login. It'll take a few seconds because this is the first time you're logging in. Alright, we're all logged in and we're at our dashboard. The dashboard is the main part of your database, of your administration panel. There are many different options here, and I'll get into those in later episodes. But the first thing that you're gonna want to do is go to users, scroll all the way down to update your password, and type in something you can actually remember. Okay. Now, if we go to view site, we'll see that WordPress has the default Kubrick theme set in place with host. Hello World. To change the theme, just go into your administration panel and click on Presentation and change themes here. When you add new themes, the themes will show up in this menu. I'll get into that later. Anyway, right now, if you want to edit this post, all you have to do is click Edit. And we'll enter this. Also, one thing you'll notice in WordPress is a new update of 2.0 with the introduction of Ajax. All these menus are resizable and repositionable. All the menus by dragging this box at the bottom. All of them can be moved. And when you post this, the post preview will be below it. Alright, happy blogging. Man, that was cheesy. Alright. For more information, go to my blog at leechim6.wordpress.com or email me at leechim6@gmail.com.